Maths magic. Look here. Sum of 1 to 10 numbers is 55. Sum of 11 to 20 numbers is 155. Sum of 21 to 30 numbers is 255. Sum of 31 to 40 numbers is 355. Sum of 41 to 50 numbers is 455. Sum of 51 to 60 numbers is 555. If we observe it, middle of the number of first line is 5, then write the 5 side by side, then became 55. In the first line total is 55. In the second line middle of the number is 15, then write the 5 side of the 15, then that is became 155. Then second line total is 155. And third line middle of the number is 25, then write 5 side of the 25, then became 255. The third line total is 255. And fourth line middle of the number is 35. The 5 is right side of 35, then that is became 355. The total of the fourth line is 355. Next, line of the fifth. Middle number is 45. Then 45 side write the 5, then that is became 455. The total of the fifth line is 455. Next, sixth line middle of the number is 55. Then write the side 5, then became 555. The total of the sixth line is 555. Okay, thank you.